Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is bell peppers, and we'll be making red pepper and lentil hummus and grilled pork chops with roasted baby pepper puttanesca. Joining me in our Morris Black Kitchen is Dr. Cecile Andolino from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Ryan Zellner. So these recipes sound great. Where should we get started?
First thing we have some awesome French lentils here. Really basic. You can get these at any of your local grocery stores. Just gonna put those in the pot. That's about a half a cup.
Okay.
Then I have some vegetable stock. I'm gonna take a half of an orange, just add a little flavor. I actually will just throw the whole orange right in there then. That's gonna boil for about 20 minutes. So over here I have 2 very nice prime pork chops. I have a nice hot pan for them to go into.
Yeah, those look delicious.
Yes. Take some salt, and then we're just gonna throw these in a nice hot oven.
Okay, and how long do you cook that for?
They're gonna take about 10 minutes.
Okay.
So this is just a little bit of a blended oil, and then we're just gonna add some of these nice little sweet peppers.
Great source of fiber, and you know, he was mentioning before with the vitamins, so you have like vitamin A and C, which helps with antioxidants, and also vitamin B6, which is really important when we're talking about blood and brain development. So it's actually one of the easy sources that you can use for that, for children and for adults.
So I just threw some grape tomatoes in there. I just take some garlic cloves, I crush them with my hand, and we're just gonna let this cook for a little bit. About 10 minutes it's gonna take. We're gonna take some of these nice mixed olives that we have, add that into it, the capers as well. So this is just some fresh flat leaf Italian parsley. So now we're just gonna head down and we're gonna finish up the lentil and red pepper hummus, which is right down here. After they are boiled, these were done for about 18 minutes it took. I reserved the liquid. You're just gonna take this was originally a half a cup, add it into your food processor.
So you reserve the liquid, that's very interesting. So you're gonna use it in this recipe.
Correct. This is then a red pepper that we take 1 whole red pepper. You can either grill it, if you have a gas range, you can put it right on the range. You're just gonna put them in your food processor. And you're just gonna puree till you get an almost hummus-like consistency. Once this is nicely pureed, you're just gonna come take it out. You can leave it again as chunky or as smooth as you like.
That was so easy.
Yeah.
Anybody can do
Not
this.
much to it.
Pepper and lentils,
So looks kind of like a tapenade almost.
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah,
consistency
tapenade.
that we have right now. You can serve that with any sort of
was
carrots,
really quick.
celery. Now we're gonna finish up the pork chop. We have the pepper puttanesca here.
And peppers are high in folate, right? Why is that
Correct.
important?
So in terms of pregnancy, folate is great for nerve development and closure of the spinal column. So it protects babies when we're talking about waiting for pregnancy and prevention of neural tube defects.
So it's important for all pregnant women to
Absolutely.
be
And
eating foods that contain folate in them.
absolutely.
And this is a
Prenatal
great-
vitamins too have high folate content. And then even afterwards, with regards to breastfeeding, for the moms that are breastfeeding, having a little extra kick from the peppers in their diet doesn't hurt.
So now we're just plating this up. We're taking that pepper puttanesca that we have, plating it down in the middle.
These look great. I can't believe how easy they were to make, and they smell delicious, so why don't we dig in? Let's start with the hummus.
So excited. Wow.
So good.
And you have the sweetness too from the peppers in
And
there.
there's very minimal ingredients. You're not adding things that you don't want your child to have, because you can change things out if you want to.
Right.
At will, and it's super healthy, super clean, super simple.
Love that. Let's try the pork chop.
Absolutely.
Again, so flavorful, using simple ingredients.
Really
Few
quick.
ingredients, really quick. What do you think?
Pretty simple.
Pretty simple.
I was like, I think I can actually do this at home.